Alright, we are going to resolder this bad boy. I already took the screws out, but what you're going to need here is a screwdriver to take the screws out of this back here. We're going to need a soldering iron and some solder. And you're going to need some wire cutters, not to cut wires, but to strip a wire and expose the metal to attach. It already didn't work here. You can see that this wire is no longer attached to this portion here, so we're just going to resolder that bad boy. This is where the wire cutters come in. Just going to grab some wire right here. Now you don't want to pinch too hard, you just want to pinch enough, and then you're going to slide out. There we go. Got a little bit of the wire there, so put those aside. Do not pinch yourself with these. Pow. That's going to attach right there. So now that we have it looking like that, we're going to get our solder and our soldering iron. And we're going to attach that bad boy right there. We're going to add some solder to it. So the napkin comes in so we don't get the floor dirty. Just looks like I dropped it. See, I dropped it right there. It needs to be right here. Okay. We got some solder on there. Put this wire on there now. Voila, we got that attached there. Now let's test this bad boy out and see if it plays some music. Alright, shake it around, make sure that you don't get any weird noises.